The May 12th Sichuan earthquake occurred at Beijing time on Monday, May 12, 2008. It is a huge earthquake with low velocity, long period, and high intensity. The earthquake was characterized by slow energy accumulation, long recurrence period, large impact range, high damage intensity, and high secondary disaster. Sichuan is located in the southwest of China, the upper reaches of the Yangtze River. The western part of Sichuan is part of Qinghai Taipei Plateau, and the eastern part is mostly located in Sichuan Basin. Let's talk about the geographic reason why Sichuan earthquake happened. The Indian Ocean plate collides with the Eurasian plate from south to north, and the collision area is arched over the Qinghai Taipei Plateau. Where the Qinghai Taipei Plateau is rising, it also moves northeastward, squeezing the Sichuan Basin to the northeast, and the Sichuan earthquake occurs. This earthquake occurred inside the mainland. It's extremely destructive to human society and difficult to predict. The number of people killed and missing in Sichuan earthquake is 87,150, and it causes 4.8 million people live homeless. According to a report by the government of China, the economic losses were estimated as $86 billion, and it spent $137.5 billion to rebuild the affected area. As a result of the Sichuan earthquake, many rivers became blocked by large landslides. It changed the landscape by creating 34 quick lakes. Because the valley is blocked by landslides, and the blockage is like a dam blocking the downstream flow of water, so the upstream water surface continues to rise. On the one hand, it may flood the villages and the towns near the river, and on the other hand, the blockages are washed, dissolved, and collapsed. Once the bridge is made, it will cause a major flood, and the destructive power is no less than earthquake. And here is our resources.